Well, I'm perfecting my splitting here. I've found if you cut the piece of firewood to the length of, that's the length of the cross piece, or the cross, this piece right here, right there, and then cut it to the length of the upright before you split it. It's easier to get the proportion. Look at this one here. They almost look like I like I cut them with a saw. They're so perfect. So yeah, and I use my hickory mallet that I've made a long time ago for years, and I use this camp axe. So yeah, that I just figured that out. I've got 85 in the walnut bin, and I don't know, 7 or 8 in the hickory bin. The hickory ones I don't like them as much, but I've got one piece of walnut left. I think I've still got more out in my big pile, but I got a bin there that should last me this summer here, I hope. I had to keep this one here. It was kind of, I call that the Gumby style. Oh, let me read a blessing here. I keep this on my wall here. May the Lord bless you and keep you. May the Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up his countenance upon you and give you peace. Alrighty. God bless.